Hello guys, this is what I'm preparing for my birthday. I'm preparing this for my birthday. Please do not miss out. This is chips, potato chips, this plantain, this tilapia fish, this garbage, this green sweet corn, carrots, cucumber, some other things are inside. So I just want you to fill your eyes before we start cooking. So everything is ready. The cake, everything is ready. You see, I have enough tilapia, so we gotta enjoy it with all this. So when it's ready, I'm gonna dope you what's cooking. Okay, bye.